Hello everyone. The key to success is consistency. The consistent action creates a consistent result. I am Jia Gorasia, studying in PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul from nursery itself. I got 92% in class 10th board examination 2020. First of all, I would like to thank God for being with me in every stage of my life. Apart from God, I would like to thank some people who helped me to achieve my success. I would like to thank my tuition teacher Radhika Ma'am Makwana and my school teachers and my parents. My parents, whom I consider the world's best parents, never let me down. They always tell me to keep a positive attitude towards the life. The healthy environment at both school and home helps me to achieve my success. I used to read 4 to 5 hours on daily and attend tests regularly. The regular test helps me to achieve my goal. I want to become an astronaut in future. So I would like to tell that test will help you to strengthen your weaknesses. All the class 10th aspirants, I would like to tell you that please make the timetable from beginning itself and follow it from the day 1 of the session. At last, I would like to conclude that determination plus hard work plus consistency leads to success. Thank you.
Everybody, I am Harshil Nasir, studying at PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul. So this year I completed my 10th standard, scoring 91.6% in my board examinations. So here I would like to share some feelings and my great journey of 10th standard and about this achievement. So first of all, I would like to share my feeling about the board examinations. In the starting days of the preparation of board exams, I was feeling nervous and lagging behind in my preparation. This led to negative thinking in my brain that I can't score good in my board exams. But my school teachers, principal and parents motivated me that I can score good in the board exams. And this motivation led in increase my confidence level and thus I score good in my board exams. First, I would like to share my preparation of my board exams. I created a study timetable and followed it daily till the approach of board exams. I used to study 5 to 6 hours daily. The difficulty I was facing in the board exam was in social studies. I was lagging behind in social studies. So I sought help from my school teachers and pursued in this subject. My school teachers also helped me to pursue in this subject and this led to good marks and I scored 94 marks in SS subject. My school teachers, principal and my parents supported me for this achievement. And now I would like to pursue my career in science after this achievement. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Krish Patel and I am studying in PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul. Recently in board exams I got 91%. I started my preparation from the beginning and cleared my all doubts with the help of an experienced teacher. I study 5 to 6 hours daily and give equal time to all the subjects. After some school exams, I got to know my weak subjects and the strong subjects. Then I started to focus on the weak subjects and tried to improve it. I practice maths every day because it is a subject in which we have to practice much. Pre-board exams are the best to check our levels. In pre-board exam, I got very much less in social science. So I started to study more social science and give more time to it. Then finally I got 94 marks in that and I am very much glad about it. Before appearing every exam, I solved many sample papers of the last years and it helped me a lot. I studied every day for the boards and the parents and teachers give me motivated and I am very grateful to them.
Hello friends, my name is Moksha Kumar Patel. I am from PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul, Abrahama. I have secured 92.4% in 10 board exams. I feel that the board exams are SMSC exams we give in our school. Only the place is changed. Daily I studied for 4 hours with full concentration, dedication and determination. In our school there were weekly tests which helped me a lot. Before the 3 months of board exams, I made a timetable in which I studied the hardest subject I felt first as a challenge and later studied the easiest subject. I strictly followed the timetable. I am very thankful to all my principal, my teachers and my family who morally and academically supported me. My teachers were so supportive and cooperative. They solved my all doubts immediately. My family was also so supportive. I am very thankful to them. As it was my first board exam, I faced some difficulties as I felt nervous and depressed before exam that how will I face my paper. But all of them supported me a lot, and I am very thankful to them because only because of them today I achieved this. Thank you.
Hi, I am K. Jubanputra and I am studying in PP Savani Chaitanya Vidya Sankul. In boards 2020, I got 92% and I was a bit nervous before starting the exam. But yeah, I was confident about my preparation. I have created a timetable and according to which I could know that what to do, when to do and how to do. So I used to study 5 to 7 hours a day and I would give equal time to all the subjects. And then I used to solve sample papers, previous year papers and the study material provided by my teachers. So whenever I solved that and I came across any difficulties, so I used to ask my teachers that how to solve, and they were very motivating and they were very supporting. So they at any time they were ready to solve my doubts or any difficulties even after the school hours. And while studying, if I get bored or I am not interested in studying, so I used to refresh my mind by watching TV, by listening to music or by playing cricket. And this was the idea of fun for refreshing my mind. So I used to do that, and after studying I get a lot of motivation from my teachers, from my parents and from the all people who helped me. So I used to study by their motivation, and yeah, I also want to become a doctor, and most of my family members belong to that field of bio, so I am interested in that field. And I am thankful to all my teachers, to all my family members and to my parents, to my brother and to all my friends and the people who supported me. Thank you.